Hello guys and welcome to my first clay tutorial. Today I will show you how to make SpongeBob with clay. Let's go! First we need yellow clay because, as you know, SpongeBob is yellow. I'm using Fimo clay, but it doesn't matter if you use a different type of clay. Now we're trying to get the perfect shape of SpongeBob's head. Next, we make little holes for the eyes of SpongeBob. For the eyes, we need a bit of white clay. And we place it on the holes. Now I'm making a line with a sculpting tool for SpongeBob's mouth. I'm cutting out a piece of clay now because right there is going to be his mouth. With this sculpting tool, I'm trying to get a better shape. Now we will mix red and purple to create a deep red for the mouth. It looks like we need more purple clay. And this is the color we've been looking for. And we placed it in the hole to create the mouth. This tiny piece of red clay is going to be the tongue. And we place it in his mouth. Now we're making SpongeBob's nose and place it on his face. Next we make two tiny balls for the cheeks. And some tiny red points for the cheeks. Now we are creating SpongeBob's teeth. And we place them on the mouth. For SpongeBob's eyes, we take two tiny pieces of blue clay and place them on the white clay. Here are some last details for the eyes. And now we're placing black clay around the eyes. The eyelashes are black too. Now we're trying to get SpongeBob's head to look like a sponge. We mix a small piece of green with yellow to get a very light green. Here is how it should look like. Now we're making some random holes on SpongeBob's head. And we fill up each hole with the light green we just mixed. And we do the same on all the other sides too. Now we're making SpongeBob's shirt with white clay. Next we create SpongeBob's legs, which are still left, with aluminium wire. We place a small piece of yellow clay on each wire. Now we're making the socks with white clay. And now we take a bit of blue clay and place it on the sock. Now we do the same with red clay. For SpongeBob's shoes, we take a bit of black clay and place it under his leg. Now we take a tiny piece of black clay and place it under his shoe so he can stand after the oven hardening. And the legs are done. And now we make SpongeBob's trousers with brown clay. Next we put 2 little pieces of brown clay under his trousers. And now we can attach the legs to the body. For the necktie we are using red clay. For the arms we will need some wire. Now we are placing yellow clay on the wires. For the fingers we need to cut in the clay. But be careful, don't cut yourself. And we do the same on the other wire. Now we put some white clay on the top of both arms. And the arms are attached to the body. Now we have to add a bit of black clay to the trousers. Here are some last details for the shirt. And guys, I guess that's it. SpongeBob, my first creation on this channel, made with clay. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. Let me know what you think in the comments and tell me which character you would like to see next. And also make sure to leave a like and subscribe to not miss any further videos. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.